Did God create the whole universe, including the original plants, animals, and the first two people, Adam and Eve, in 6 literal 24-hour days? Or did creation take place over millions of years? God left us a clear eyewitness account of creation in Genesis 1-2, written in the Hebrew language, stating that He made everything in 6 days, using language that even Hebrew children could understand, such as evening and morning, and numbers like 6th day. The sentence structure plainly refers to 6 literal 24-hour days. But doesn't the fossil record in the rock layers date back hundreds of millions of years? So in this case, how could the earth be young and God created everything in 6 24-hour days? The fossil record that we find today has a disease and cancer and arthritis and animals eating each other, so it smells of death. Now, there is a theological paradox here, because according to the biblical genealogical records, Adam and Eve exist about 6,000 plus years ago. Now, if those fossils indicate that the earth is millions of years old, then a pile of fossils would have existed under the Garden of Eden when God pronounced on the 6th day of creation, upon the completion of His creative acts, that everything is very good. So how can everything be very good when underneath the rock layers in the Garden of Eden there are signs of death and disease? Because death and disease entered into the world only after Adam's sin, not before that. Think about it. Creation in 6 literal days? Well, these are one of the few issues on biblical worldview that we deal with at the All Asian Creation Conference from 15 to 17 November in USJ Summit Hotel in Subang Jaya. So come and join us, where the experts themselves, led by Ken Ham, President and CEO of Answers in Genesis, together with creation ministry leaders from throughout Asia, will be all under one roof to talk about issues of origins and science and history that will further strengthen your faith. So sign up before September 15 for an early bird special of 150 ringgit. Log on to www.answersacademy.info. Come and find out, did God really create everything in 6 literal 24-hour days?